Are you having trouble sleeping? Well, you found the right video. Because in today's video, you and I are going to make the trending Sleepy Girl mocktail. I don't know why it's called Sleepy Girl. Everybody gets sleepy. Everybody gets insomnia. Everybody needs some help falling asleep sometimes. So ours is going to be all-inclusive. It's going to be the Sleepy People mocktail with a twist. I got a little twist for you, so stay with me. First, we'll need to gather some ingredients. Let's get some tart cherry juice concentrate and some vanilla flavored coconut milk. Next, we'll need to find our magnesium powder. Yep, this brand will do. And we're going to make some vanilla syrup. So let's get some vanilla extract and some pure cane sugar. We're going to need about 4 ounces of hot water. You can do this over the stove. I'm doing this right out of my water cooler, or you can microwave it. We're going to add a full cup of sugar to our 4 ounces of hot water for a rich syrup, and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to whisk, whisk, whisk until all of the sugar granules are dissolved. This is going to give us a rich, delicious syrup that's going to be perfect for our Sleepy People mocktail. Dozens and dozens of TikTokers are making this Sleepy Girl mocktail. So, of course, we have to see what this is all about. I'm going to make my version of it for you, though, today. And the Sleepy Girl mocktail is tart cherry juice, magnesium powder, and a sparkling water of some sort. We are going to be switching out that sparkling water for coconut milk. And instead of tart cherry juice, we're going to be using tart cherry juice concentrate. And we are going to add a little bit of our homemade vanilla syrup. And let me tell you why. At night, after my meal, I also crave something a little sweet. I want something a little desserty. So that's gonna scratch that itch and help me get some Z's. So also, we are switching out the juice for concentrate. I'm trying to reduce the amount of liquid. I really don't want to drink a lot of fluids right before I go to bed. So we're going to have something delicious and desserty, and hopefully that'll help send us off to dreamland. Okay, so first we're going to start out with some magnesium powder. Please read the directions on whatever brand you have. I noticed that a lot of people were calling for a tablespoon. Mine says a half a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons and to work up to the 2 teaspoons. The first time I tried this, I did 2 teaspoons and I felt a little groggy in the morning. I had kind of a tough time waking up. I would experiment what this is for you. I'm going to do, this is a half teaspoon, so I'm going to do 1 full teaspoon. But like I said, make sure that you're following the directions on whatever magnesium powder brand you're using. And then we are going to add our tart cherry juice concentrate. So tart cherry juice has natural melatonin, and it doesn't seem like it has very much, but it also helps your body produce more melatonin. Also, it has tryptophan, as you know from lots of Thanksgivings past, that tryptophan is also in turkey and can make people sleepy. I have always known tart cherry juice as something that helps relieve delayed onset muscle soreness. I've had cherry juice for years for quick recovery from tough workouts, or when you kind of overdid it on the squats and you need some relief. Tart cherry juice is wonderful for that. It's an anti-inflammatory. It has a slew of benefits besides helping you sleep. This is concentrate, so we're just going to put 2 tablespoons. Oh, a little bit more than 2 tablespoons, that's okay. And then we're going to add, this is a half ounce of our homemade vanilla syrup. You can do a 1/4 ounce, just do it to your liking. This is going to make it taste a little bit like cherry pie. Let's ice up our mixing glass. Then we're going to add our coconut milk. This is 6 ounces. If you'd like a little bit more, you can go as far as 8 ounces with as much tart cherry juice as we used. Coconut milk has healthy fats, it helps with brain function, but really what I'm after is this creamy texture that's going to pair well with the tartness of the cherry juice. All right, and then we're going to give this a really good shake. You want to shake this really well because you want to emulsify that magnesium powder. Alternatively, if you don't have a shaker, you could put it in a mason jar and give it a quick shake, or if you have one of those protein shaker containers. Also, if you have a hand frother, I do that sometimes too. I'll hand froth it before I add ice. But you want to make sure you get that magnesium mixed in really well. It's also going to give you a little bit of a foam, which is really cool. And I'm going to use a coupe glass because it's fun. And then we're just going to strain that right into our glass. You could also do this on the rocks too if you prefer. Perfect. And then for garnish, because this is a mocktail, so we're going to garnish it. For garnish, we're going to do some beautiful cocktail cherries. And there you go. We have a beautiful, yummy drink that's going to help us sleep. Let's give this a taste. Oh, that's really good. It tastes like cherry pie. It's so good. That vanilla, that creaminess. It's awesome. I don't even care if it doesn't help me sleep. So let me know in the comments if you plan to give this a try, and let me know if it works for you, if it helps you sleep. If you are finding value here today, please hit that subscribe button and check these videos out here. Check. It's hard not to drink it, but I still have stuff to do, so I can't get sleepy yet.